everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through the application for a passport online, because some people have been asking the question, can you apply for a passport online? And the answer is yes, but it has its limitations and requirements. You see, when you want to go for an online application process, you cannot submit Form DS11, which is an application for a US passport, entirely online for first-time applicants or children under 16. But you can renew your passport online using Form DS82. This is application for a US passport by mail if you meet specific eligibility requirements. Now, what are the eligibility requirements for online renewal? 1. You must have a previous US passport that's not damaged or expired for more than 5 years. Your name must be the same as on your previous passport, or you must be able to document a name change. You can only renew certain types of passports online, such as a 10-year adult passport. What are the required documents? You need to make your previous passport with your application, you need to make the application fee payment online, and you will need to provide a new passport photograph. The benefits of applying online are convenience and faster processing. You can also track the status of your application online. So don't forget to check eligibility requirements online for renewal before starting the application process. Ensure you have all your required documentation information before you submit your application, and always follow the instructions on the US Department of State website to avoid errors or delays. If you're eligible, applying for a passport online can be a convenient option. However, it is essential to carefully review the requirements and follow the instructions. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.